In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Indeed account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. Logging into your Indeed account is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Whether you're checking for new job opportunities, managing applications, or updating your resume, having access to your Indeed account is essential. First, grab your device, whether it's your computer, tablet, or smartphone. You'll want to open your web browser. If you're using a phone or tablet, you can also log into the Indeed app if you have it installed. If you don't have the app, no worries, you can just stick to the web browser. Now in the address bar of your browser, type in www.indeed.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Indeed homepage. If you're on a mobile device, you might be directed to the mobile version of the site, but everything will be pretty much the same. Once the page is loaded, look for the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. It's clearly labeled, so you can't miss it. Click on that button. Now you should see a field that prompts you to enter the email address you used when you created your Indeed account. Go ahead and type in your email address. Make sure you double-check it for any typos, because forgetting a letter can prevent you from logging in. Next, below the email field, you'll see another box where you can input your password. Type in your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure that you're typing it exactly as it was set up. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click the Forgot Password link, and Indeed will guide you through the steps to reset it, usually by sending a reset link to your email. Once you've entered your email and password correctly, take a look at the box that says Keep Me Signed In. If you're using your personal device and want to stay logged in for future visits, feel free to check that box. However, if you're on a public or shared device, it's safer to leave it unchecked. After everything looks good, click the Sign In button. Within a few seconds, you should be logged into your Indeed account, and it will take you to your dashboard. Here, you can see any job applications you have in progress, recommendations based on your profile, and even save job listings that interest you. If you encounter any issues while logging in, make sure to check your internet connection first. If that's fine but you still can't log in, revisit the steps we outlined to ensure your email and password are entered correctly. If all else fails, Indeed's support page can provide further assistance. And there you go. You're now able to log into your Indeed account with ease. Remember, keeping your credentials secure is important, and periodically updating your password is a good practice. Enjoy exploring job opportunities, and good luck with your job search. If you found this process helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.